packing up our stuff. We're gonna move to our next destination. It's gonna be somewhere near Mount Agung. เราอยู่ไหนกันแล้ววันนี้อยู่บนภูเขาอากุง Mount Agung คือภูเขาไฟ volcano ที่สูงที่สุดในบาหลีสุดยอดเมื่อวานเรายังแค่แบบพูดถึงภูเขาMount Agung ใช่ไหมวันนี้เรามาอยู่ถึงนี่จริงๆแล้วแต่ว่าเราไม่มีเวลาที่จะขึ้นไปถึงเครเตอร์ของMount Agung ที่น่าสนใจมากก็คือตอนนี้เราอยู่ที่ Temple ที่สูงที่สุดที่บาหลีนี่แบบ stair 1,000 step ที่จะขึ้นไปที่ Temple ที่สูงที่สุดในบาหลีมีสลงด้วย BALI Classics นี่สลงสีดำของมินสลงสีแดง ไปต่อถึงแล้ว Right, we are getting into the temple. Check that out. That one is Mount Agung, and this is what is the name of the temple?
Agung, Temple Pasar Agung.
Temple Pasar Agung.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. My name Nyoman.
Your name is
Nyoman.
Nyoman. Okay.
Nyoman.
So his name is Nyoman. His name is Wayan, and my name is Made. So Wayan is 1, Made is 2,
Nyoman.
and Nyoman is 3. He's opening the door for us, getting closer to the volcano. Wow. Yeah, we are look at that.
Hello, this right?
Yeah. So he is basically taking us to every nook and corner of the temple. Now we're outside the temple area and we are walking towards the volcano. But we're not going anywhere near the crater, just like a little outside the temple, but definitely a little near the crater. This is probably like the closest we're gonna be, right? Near the crater, the Mount Agung this time. Unless like next time if we go up, we will contact you.
Yeah.
How much per person you said? 1 million.
Yeah,
1 million Indonesian rupiah per person. So yeah, next time. So he basically take care of the temple. And you've been here for 4 years already, right? Okay, thank you for showing us around. I really like it, yeah? Thank you very much. So this is like our 5th day probably in Bali. Look at that. Great view of the Mount Agung. So very interesting thing is that we are going to Lempuyang temple, where it's like you have the gate of Bali, like a very famous gate, and like you get to see this volcano in the middle. Like surreal, man. Let's go.